how to create Google Play Store account. So if you want to create a Google Play Store account, then you need to first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to create a Google account. So in order to create a Google Play Store account, you need to have a Google account. So you need to just open up your Play Store, and from here it may ask you for the sign in on the bottom, or if you already have an account and if you want to create a new one, then you can go with the drop down, and here you will have add another account. So tap on add another account, and you need to verify with your fingerprint or your face lock or your password of your device, and now it will take you to the Google sign in page. So from here you need to go with create account, which is on the left side, and you can choose personal use or for your work or business. So I'll go with the personal use and go with next, and now you need to enter your first and last name, and you need to create a Google account. And after creating your Google account, you'll be able to sign into your Play Store with that Google account. So enter your first name and last name, and after that go with next, and you need to enter your basic information like your month, date, year of your date of birth, and then your gender, and you need to create a Gmail address. And after that you need to enter your mobile number, and you will receive a code to the mobile number. After verifying, you need to create your password. After creating your strong password, you can go with next, and your Google account will be created. After creating your Google account, you will be able to log in to your Play Store with that Google account. So in order to create a Google Play Store account, you need to go with Google. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.